This is one of the master figures of the Portuguese history, Luís of Camões. Today is buried together with the famous sailor Vasco da Gama in the monastery of Belém in Lisbon. This man wrote an epic book about the Portuguese discoveries, the Portuguese history. It's a masterpiece as well in the Portuguese literature. You want to know more about him? Come to Lisbon to find out. Hi Fernando, good morning. This is Fernando Pessoa, no doubt the most important writer of the Portuguese century in Portugal. Behind me you have Brasileira coffee shop. It was in the 19th century a meeting point for politicians and for poets. That's why Fernando is here with me. It was as well the first place to sell coffee beans from Brazil and sell the real beverage, the real coffee of Portugal. Let me read to you in English a poem of this writer. O salty sea, so much of whose salt is Portugal's tears, all the mothers who had to weep for us to cross you, all the sons who prayed in vain, all the brides-to-be who never married for you to be ours, O sea. What is worth doing? Everything's worth doing if the soul of the doers isn't small. Whoever would go beyond the cape must go beyond sorrow. God placed danger and the abyss in the sea, but he also made it heaven's mirror. This is one of the books that I recommend you to buy. If you want a really cool itinerary about Lisbon, you buy the one of Fernando Pessoa, the poet that we just met. And these are the fabulous custards of Belém, the cream custards of Lisbon that you have to try when coming to Lisbon. These we say is that the monks of Belém used to sell them to earn money. But guess what? Those are fake news. The nuns used to do that because the white part of the egg was used as a starch to iron the clothes, and the yolk was used for this. There's plenty of great shops in Lisbon you can choose from to buy Portuguese goods, traditional goods. This one where we are right now is called A Vida Portuguesa, the Portuguese life. Here you can find everything of the best. You can find ceramics, you can find soaps, you can find wines, jellies, you can find canned tuna fish, for example. Let me show you this little dove here. It's no doubt the iconic symbol for this shop. But just behind me, you have all sorts of fabulous things that you can buy and take home as a souvenir. Have a look.